every business should have this one thing, or build it, is trust. And without trust, how do you expect someone to buy your products, buy into your services? And it kind of, trust goes into brand awareness, and brand awareness is where you keep showing people your brands, your logos, your name, so they can get used to you. And with Facebook and Google ads, you can definitely do that, especially Facebook. When you use paid advertising, you can target specific people, so you keep showing up in their face. So it's like people that you want to buy into your services, which is great. These are two of our clients that we've created ads for, examples that I want to use for trust and brand awareness. So right here on the left, Sherwood Painting Services. So, they do all things painting. This is just a brand awareness ad for Facebook. So this is, the ad copy, the words are like, attention Marblehead residents, that's the location. I tend to specifically say the location so people know, like, oh, this is where I live. It catches their attention. Want a quality paint job that will last years, want to hire someone that's straightforward and easy to communicate with. With 14 years of painting experience, we work on blank, blank, and blank. So with ad copy, you want to, or with the words, you want to like hit on those emotions. Like bringing out the emotions in ads is like really important. And then like with 14 years of experience, it kind of shows, that's kind of proof of how long they've been doing this. And so right here, this is actually a video, but it's just a screenshot right now. So it's a GoPro 360 video. So it's moving when you're scrolling down Facebook, especially if it's a video, it kind of catches your eyes compared to just an image sometimes. But the main point that I wanted to like focus on with this ad is right here, where it says 50+ people liked and loved your post, and there are 3 shares. So this is called engagement. So engagement could be anything from someone commenting, someone sharing your post, someone liking or loving it. Like and love or laugh, those types of like engagement, there's nothing, one's not above the other. It's just you really want that engagement, because when you show, or when this ad shows to a cold audience is someone that's never seen your brand before. Or if this ad shows to a warm audience, that could be someone that has seen your ad before. It could be someone that's been a previous client. I guess to explain, there's like a funnel that people go through, and just imagine kind of like a funnel like this, and the cold audience would be at the very top, because they start going down the funnel, they trickle down, and basically what happens is the further down they go down the tunnel, the warmer they get to being a prospect, someone that wants to buy your services. So they would be someone that wants to buy your services, like they would be at the end of the tunnel. Basically, I guess, cold and then hot. So a potential client would be very hot. So even if you show this ad to a cold or a warm audience, they will see like, hey, there's some engagement here. That means like other people probably trust them, other people may like them, especially if they're in the stages of, say they want to paint their house, but they're not sure, they're still looking around, and they keep seeing your ads. Like with paid advertisements, your ads, depending on how you set them up, they're gonna keep showing up in people's faces, and that's what you want. Eventually they'll like overcome it, and they're like, hey, other people seem to trust this business, maybe I'll check it out. That's what you want with branding. And then also with here, this is just another example of one of our other clients, Great American Landscapes. So this is the ad copy, or the words that I put in here, and this is, we call this a creative. So it could be a video or a photo that you put in there. And then see, this is the engagement as well. Over 40 likes and loves, 2 comments, 6 shares. So I think, it's very important to have that, because especially now today, everyone's just on their phones and people are kind of scared to meet up in person. Having that trust, and it'll definitely help them down the funnel, and eventually like they'll look on and they'll click to your website or possibly call you. So that's like the whole idea of building trust.